making now suhoor or siri for 17 days Ramadan fasting. Now paratha, I'm making paratha. And then we have to put now this fresh buffalo milk from this tea. And then I have extra chips last night and pakoras, paratha here. And I have this apple marrow with potatoes curry last night, and I will make hot rice also for me. For them is paratha with tea, but for me rice. And today is Saturday. Time check is 4:15 a.m. because close fasting will be 5, 6 like that, 5, 6 a.m. So now I wake up for 4 o'clock for alarm. Now close fasting time check is exactly 5 a.m. and will be open iftari for open fasting inshallah around past 6 p.m. So almost 13 hours in PO, nothing by mouth, even water. Before yesterday, I cooked chicken curry or chicken fly, so I keep 2 pieces of breast, so I slice like this. So I will make this one chicken tapa, but there is no soy sauce because no more soy sauce I have. So just I put vinegar, then garlics, black pepper, salt, oil, and what is more? What garlics? Only this one. Vinegar. Then I put some turmeric powder. I make marinate for 1 day. And this is for our additional dish bayan for our 17th days Ramadan fasting. So I put this one toppings, onion rings, tomatoes, and green chilies. Because yesterday I cooked apple marrow curry, then there is also extra, but not too much, enough for 1 plate. I will put now this green chilies. My husband said I will put green chilies. Now let's check. Now we can put now this onion rings and tomatoes. My siblings, they like this so much. Especially my husband. That's why when I buy chicken and cook chicken curry, always I keep 2 breast and slice like this. So this is my extra last night. So later I will cook additional what you call this, eggs, scrambled eggs, because I think this is not enough. So this is only little. Then I have also rice extra, so no need to cook rice. And then I will cook also chapatis for them and pakoras and what is more. So fruit chat I make also for the aftari and juice sharbat on days. So alhamdulillah, we can survive for 17 days Ramadan fasting. Now we have to cover it. another recipe. I transfer already here. So I make scrambled eggs because no enough I think this dish. So I put now this tomatoes and green chilies. And also this one. Salt, chili powder, and turmeric powder. So if there is extra, I can eat also for tomorrow. So for 18 days Ramadan fasting. No problem. There is extra. My langga also, he can eat because he's not fasting. I put only 2 eggs. So this is my extra yesterday. So I have 3 dishes for 17th days Ramadan fasting for our dinner. Alhamdulillah. I make this kind of pakoras. No need to cut by strips. So like this. One potatoes I cut 4 to 5 pieces. Like this.